Hey, today I'll show you how to fix the yaw issue in the DJI Remote Controller 3. In my case, every time I increased the throttle, the yaw suddenly dropped to 0. I'll show you exactly how I solved it. First, we need to open the controller. While opening the shell, be careful not to damage the internal wires. We need to disconnect these cables. Now we remove the top plate. Remember to unplug the battery first. Unscrew the battery and take it out. These wires are damaged. We need to remove them from the glue and desolder them. We peel off the glue from the solder joints. I apply some soldering flux and desolder the wires. Now we prepare new wires. Apply solder to both ends of the wires. We solder the wires back in place. Now we slide heat shrink tubing onto the wires so we can shrink it later. I've already removed the old wires and I'm tinning the ends. We solder the wires together. Slide the heat shrink tubing over the joint. Shrink the heat shrink tubing. Now we lay the wires in their positions. Secure them with hot glue. Lift the wires for a moment and reinstall the plate we removed earlier. Place the wires underneath the plate. Secure everything with hot glue so the wires don't desolder themselves. Now we reinstall and reconnect the battery. Plug the cables back in and turn on the controller. Connect it to the computer. Time for testing. I checked everything in the simulator. Close the controller and tighten all screws. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.